How to connect smartwatch to your fitness app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you simply need to do is you have to have your smartwatch application downloaded on a device. So let's go to Play Store application on the device, and here I've already installed the app for my smartwatch over here. So you can see the option over here. I've already installed it. So make sure that you are connected with Bluetooth as well. Now what you need to do over here is simply launch any of your fitness app. I'm going for Google Fit. Then simply select on the browse option at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on any sort of vitals option, and here tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on connected apps. Now what you simply need to do is it will give us various options regarding the apps that we have on our device to connect with the fitness app. So let's just scroll down and see the option for our app. So let's just refresh it and see if we have the options. And as we get the option of the smartwatch application, you'll be able to just tap on it and you can simply start connecting smartwatch to your fitness app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.